hair oil we need to talk about today? Well, this is the Inde Wild Champi Hair Oil and it has such a aesthetic packaging. It is the Ayurvedic Champi Hair Oil which helps with hair growth. I had purchased this product around 2 to 3 months ago, especially when I was in India, and I laid my hands on it. It costed me around 1000 Indian rupees and this is 50 ml of the product. It's quite pricey, but I have to tell you that it comes in such aesthetic packaging. It comes in a dropper bottle and you can pour this oil directly onto your scalp and massage it. Oh my god, it smells so good. I swear to god, it is just such amazing product. When I was unpacking this product, I got rid of the box. It had all the ingredients written on it, but I will show you these are the ingredients that are mentioned in this product. This beautiful smell that comes from this bottle is because of the jasmine oil that is added in this Champi. I have not been disappointed while using this. How I use it is very simple. I apply it on my scalp and I leave it overnight, and then in the morning I just wash it off, or else you can just use it 1 hour before your hair wash. Apply it on your scalp, nicely massage it. It's exactly how you do your Champi. It's very easy to use and it's super easy to carry. I didn't face any problem with the leakage, but I haven't gone to long distances with this bottle, so I'm not aware how it will turn out to be during the travel, or is it gonna leak, or this packaging is enough. But honestly, I love the packaging. You don't need to invest in extra droppers or plastic droppers which you need to just apply it on your scalp. You just need to take a little bit of product and then apply it directly onto your scalp, and this dropper makes it super easy. The application is super easy and it's so damn good when you apply it. It smells heavenly and the smell stays even after the hair wash. So that's why I'm absolutely in love with this product. My hair is quite long and it was dry before I was using this product. Because I keep traveling, I live in a cold place, my hair tends to get dry and my hair follicles always face this frizziness and it's never ever tame. But after using this particular oil, I was really satisfied. It's my personal opinion. This brand has not reached out to me. It is not sponsoring this video. This is all the honest review from my side. I have used their product especially more than 10 times to do this proper review. I use a little bit on the ends of my hair and maximum product I use it on the scalp. Now to the part like, am I really gonna purchase this product again? I'm gonna tell you yes. I will be purchasing this product again. I'll show you how my hair looks like actually. This is my hair after the hair wash and I have used this oil. My hair smells heavenly and it feels like my hair strands are healthy. They don't look as if they have been having a lot of split ends. Usually I have this problem of split ends with my hair, but my hair quality has just become better after using this oil. As I said that I like to use the overnight treatment. It has the Bringa oil, coconut oil mixture, which is essential for the hair growth and also regaining that hair follicle, healthy hair follicle. I am absolutely in love with the jasmine oil that they have added. Yes, essential oils are not well tolerated by a lot of people, but if you are someone who has this treated scalp and you are facing the problem of dandruff, I would not recommend to use this product because it's an oil-based formula and dandruff and oil application doesn't go well together. Rather use glycolic acid or salicylic acid to get rid of that dandruff on your scalp. But if you are someone who has this normal scalp, normal to healthy scalp, and you want to just improve the hair texture, the quality, then yes, you can use this product. I absolutely enjoyed it, thoroughly enjoyed it. Look, it feels like luxury Ayurveda Champi. As it's expensive, for 50 ml of product, 1000 Indian rupees is quite pricey in my opinion. It's like aesthetic Ayurvedic formulation, getting a modern touch. It's the motto of this company and I love that idea because there are so many NRIs living out there who really want something that actually show results and is worth investing your money into, and this is that product that I would say that yes, I thoroughly enjoyed. Although there are numerous products from this brand, I haven't used all of them, but I'm gonna be doing that because I'm impressed by this product. If you want to get the best results, keep this product overnight on your hair and make sure that you put like a waistcloth on your head so that it doesn't transfer the oil to your pillow or pillowcase. So it's must that you need to take this aftercare, but I think it's a very, very good formulation. Love this formulation. Inde, you did a very good job. I'm impressed and I'm loving this formulation. My honest opinion about it is that yes, it's high in fragrance. So the best way to use it, if you have sensitive scalp, then use it on your palm and then gently massage it to the end of your hair. And when you apply it to the ends, just leave it overnight. And then when you wash your hair, the fragrance stays for a very long time. Your hair follicle will regain its healthy shape when you're applying this product. I just feel that the combination of different oils and some essential oils, it just makes it a perfect blend for the healthy hair. I'm just not disappointed by this product at all because it has helped me to get that nice healthy hair follicle back. Well, that is it for this video. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below and I will get back to you with answers. Let me know in the comment section below what video would you like to watch next and I will make a video on that topic. And once again, good job Inde for making this amazing Champi oil. I have bought this product and not been disappointed, and I hope you will also not be disappointed. Write down your experience in the comment section below and I would love to read about it. Thank you very much for watching again. I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.